Hello, this is Professor Nounou, the Français cool. In this series of 10 lessons of French for beginners, your language level will progress from a total beginner to the next level. So welcome to your first French lesson. Today we'll cover the basics, how to greet people, introduce yourself, essential vocabulary, and two key verbs, être, to be, and avoir, to have. Let's get started. I advise you to take notes during the lesson, as each part will depend on the next, so you will have to retain what I present you at every stage. At the end, I will propose some exercises to consolidate what was presented during the lesson. Ready with your pen and paper? Let's go! Let's talk first about how to greet in French, les salutations. Alors, on dit bonjour, good morning, salut, hi, bonjour monsieur, madame, good morning sir, madam, au revoir, goodbye, bonne journée, have a good day, bonne soirée, have a good evening, bonne nuit, good night, à demain, see you tomorrow. In French, greetings change depending on the time of day. For example, bonjour is used during the day and bonne soirée is used in the evening. Practice saying these phrases out loud now. Now we present another way to greet. Ça va. Alors on peut dire ça va, how are you? Ça va, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Tu vas bien? Are you doing well? Oui, très bien. Et toi? Yes, very well. And you? Vous allez bien? Are you doing well? Oui, et vous? Yes, and you? To ask someone how they are, you can say ça va, it's informal, and works in most situations. For something more formal, you can ask, vous allez bien? Thirdly, I'll show you how to present oneself. S'appeler, se présenter. Tu t'appelles comment? What's your name? Je m'appelle Tom. My name is Tom. Elle s'appelle Clara. Her name is Clara. Il s'appelle Félix. His name is Felix. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? And you, what's your name? In French, to introduce yourself, you use the verb s'appeler, which literally means to call oneself. For example, je m'appelle professeur Nounou. Alors, for you, what's your name? Now repeat, je m'appelle, then say your name. Now! Now we turn to some grammar. Verb être, which is verb to be in English. So to say I am, je suis. Tu es, you are. Il ou elle est, he or she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils, elles sont, they are. The verb être means to be. It's one of the most important verbs in French. Let's look at a few examples. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Tu es professeur. You are a teacher. Now, what's your profession? Can you say, I am, je suis, and then follow it with your profession in French? Try it now. Now, let's look at how to present nationalities and colors. Les nationalités et les couleurs. Alors, to say French, on dit français ou française. English, anglais ou anglaise, American, américain ou américaine, Canadian, canadien ou canadienne. When talking about nationalities, remember that they change depending on whether you're talking about a man or a woman. For example, Français for a man and Française for a woman. Now, let's use verb être to say I'm French. Now, try it yourself. Very good. Je suis français. How about they are English? Go on. Très bien. Ils sont anglais. Now for a few basic colors. Rouge, red, bleu, blue, vert, green, jaune, yellow. Colors also change for masculine and feminine objects. For example, un livre bleu. Le mot livre, the word livre, means book. Book is a masculine word. So we say un livre bleu without an E at the end for the color bleu. But we say une chaise bleue. Chaise means chair, and chaise en français, c'est un mot féminin. It's a feminine word. So the color blue, bleu, ends with an E at the end. How do we say the days of the week in French? Les jours et les mois. Les jours de la semaine. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Dimanche, Sunday. In French, the week starts on Monday, not Sunday like in English. Practice saying these days in order. Go on. Very good. Now we turn to the months of the year, les mois de l'année. Here are the months of the year. They are quite similar to English, but the pronunciation is different. Try repeating them after me. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Excellent! Now for some basic vocabulary. Vocabulaire utile. Les objets et les lieux. Objects and places. Let's start with some objects. Quelques objets. La voiture, the car. La porte, the door. Le réveil, the alarm clock. Le frigo, the fridge. Now for some places, quelques lieux. La maison, the house. L'école, the school. Le magasin, the store. Le parc, the park. These are everyday words. You'll hear them often. Practice them and try using them in simple sentences. Now let's go back to an important point of grammar. Le verbe avoir. Verb to have. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il, elle a. He, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ou elles ont. They have. The verb avoir, as I just told you, means to have. It's used to talk about possessions, age, and more. For example, J'ai un livre. I have a book. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Il a 20 ans. He is 20 years old. Try saying, I have a pen. Pen in French, stylo. Very good. J'ai un stylo. Great work. Now use the vocabulary we just learned together with verbs être and avoir to say the following sentences. I have a car. I'll give you a few seconds to try and combine the verb with the word. Very good. J'ai une voiture. I have a red car. J'ai une voiture rouge. We have a fridge. Nous avons un frigo. I am at the door. Je suis à la porte. She has an alarm clock. Very good. Elle a un réveil. You are at school. Très bien. Vous êtes à l'école. They are in the shop. Great. Ils sont dans le magasin. Well done on completing your first French lesson. Your homework is to practice introducing yourself and using the verbs être and avoir in simple sentences. See you next time in lesson number 2. À très bientôt pour une nouvelle leçon de français. You can visit our website françaiscool.fr to register for our French online courses. You can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. À très bientôt. Au revoir.